How to make Leo man fall in love with an Aquarius woman. The Leo man and Aquarius woman may seem like opposites. He is warm, bold, and craves attention. She is cool, independent, and values freedom. Yet, this contrast can turn into a deep and exciting bond. While Leo seeks admiration, Aquarius brings originality and mystery. Together, they can create a love that's both passionate and unique. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 10 simple but powerful tips to win the heart of a Leo man as an Aquarius woman. 1. Admire him without losing yourself. Leo men love compliments. Let him know he's special, but don't lose your independence. Admire him, but keep your confidence. He's drawn to strong, self-assured women. 2. Be a conversation starter. Talk about big ideas, science, society, or dreams. Your intellect will attract him. Leo likes more than just looks, he enjoys mental connection too. 3. Surprise him often. Leos love excitement. Plan fun, spontaneous outings or show off a quirky hobby. Keep him guessing and entertained. Predictability bores him. 4. Let him shine. Leo men enjoy being the center of attention. Support his need for praise and let him take the spotlight. Just make sure he knows you admire his efforts. 5. Keep your distance sometimes. As an Aquarius, you value space. That's not a weakness. Leo finds mystery exciting. Don't always be available. Let him chase you a bit. 6. Encourage, don't control. Never tell a Leo man what to do. Instead, suggest ideas gently. Inspire him to improve by believing in his potential. 7. Stay calm in arguments. Leo can be dramatic. If he flares up, keep your cool. Your calm energy will balance his fire and earn his respect. 8. Stay busy with your own life. Have your own goals, friends, and interests. Leo doesn't want someone clingy. Show him your life is full, with or without him. 9. Support his goals. If he has a dream, stand behind it. Help him think bigger. Be the partner who cheers him on and gives him confidence. 10. Share a bigger purpose. Leos want more than romance, they want legacy. Find something meaningful you both care about. Whether it's helping others or building something together, shared purpose deepens love. When Aquarius stays true to her independent nature and shows steady admiration, the Leo man takes notice. This pairing, though different in many ways, can spark a powerful connection. Love between fire and air may not always be calm, but it can be truly unforgettable. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.